I think the chapter 11 opener is kind of a cute one. The question is, do dogs resemble their owners? So think about this type of data. If you were asked, hey, does your dog resemble you as an owner? Your type of response would be yes or no. It's not quantitative. This is categorical. So what we're going to do in chapter 11 is figure out how can you analyze if there is an association or is there enough convincing evidence in terms of categorical data. To analyze associations or convincing evidence of categorical data, we're actually going to use the word chi-square, and you're going to see that right here and other places. There's a different table we're going to use. It's not normal CDF. It's not the t-table. It's actually a chi-squared table. And there's 3 different types of tests that we're going to learn about in this chapter. This is a shorter chapter in that we're going to spend 2 days on what's called the chi-square goodness of fit test. And then we spend 2 more days and I'm going to show you 2 different tests that are related to chi-square. There are no test applets for this particular chapter. What you're going to be exposed to though after the 4 days is a similar stuff of doing our free response, our 2 days of review, and then our 2-day test. Do make note that the chi-square test is actually found in that handout packet that I gave you, and I absolutely recommend that you reference this. The packet that I gave you actually has more information than you see here on my initial screen, and hopefully you'll find it helpful to remember the conditions for this and the different tests, because they're a little bit different than the ones for the means and their proportions. So let's dive into chapter 11.